In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Facebook Video Autoplay on a mobile app on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. After that, head over to menu. On the menu, tap at that gear to open up Settings and Privacy. And then scroll down a bit until at Preferences section you will find Media. And that's where we can easily find Autoplay settings, and in here we can control whether Facebook app will autoplay videos or not. As you can see, by default on my device it is set to on mobile data and Wi-Fi. We can switch it to on Wi-Fi only to save our internet traffic. However, if you would like to completely turn off autoplay videos, you need to select Never Autoplay Videos. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.